Hey YouTubers, we're going to be scrapping a forklift battery charger today, a GNB SCR 100 charger. It's called the intelligent charger. So we're going to take this off. We're going to remove the fuses out of there. Just pop those out by hand. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you just pull them right out and store those away, as we've done these already. So what we're going to do is we pop the door off. We removed all of the fuses. So now, let me get in some light. Now the next step is to get these screws off so we can take this door, the back door off. And we can access the contents of the inside. I gotta make it a little messy because I gotta hold this camera, but try to keep the area clean. Alright. This thing has a little weight on it. Okay. There's what we're looking to get out of there. We gotta extract that out. These got some Allen wrench bolts that looks just like this. So, but the difference is they have a bolt on this side. So what I gotta do is I gotta flip this thing on the side, as you see right here, and where's my tool? Alright. So plug it in and just kind of loosen them up. You know, gotta kind of soften them up, because what I could do is I had to pop the back side off so we could hold this side while we hold the screw and twist on this end and follow that as suit. And you have what, 4, 8, 12 bolts. That's it. The 13 is just to this little small board. Once you cut that off, it'll look just like this. It'll empty it out like that and come out looking like this. And we have a huge transformers you could take it in like this. They'll give you a large or a small transformer, and you can get close to 20 cents a pound. So that's not worth it, actually. So I prefer to just take the copper off. This is number 2 copper. And what I'll do is I'll get a grinder and just cut the copper right off of the metal. And you can get heavy shred for this thick type of metal. Alright guys, and we'll make possibly with 1, 2, let me see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got 8. So 8 times whatever these weigh. It'll come out to be not approximately, but a guesstimation with the aluminum. We're going to take all of the metal off and clean the aluminum, get clean aluminum. That'll be about maybe 40 bucks with all of the aluminum. And with the copper insulated at about $1.80 today, September 2016, that'll be, unless it jumps to $2 tomorrow, we can get just past maybe 250 bucks. So it's worth it, you know. I just need to make my money back for what I paid for it, and that'll be it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Scrap Networks at it again. And the next time you guys tune in, I got I got something to show you guys. Just tune in. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We out.